Good morning. Welcome to online classes. Today, in this class, we are studying about direct and indirect band gap of semiconductors. Here, according to band theory of solids, the energy spectrum of electron consists of large number of allowed energy bands. Here, the allowed energy bands is nothing but the bands where the electrons may be existed, and is separated by a forbidden region. Forbidden region means the unallowed bands. Unallowed bands means the electron cannot be existed in this region. Okay. The band gap is represented a minimum energy difference between topmost of valency band and bottom of the conduction band. Here the valency band and conduction bands both are the allowed energy bands. Based on the structure of energy band, the semiconductors are classified into two categories, namely direct band gap semiconductors and indirect band gap semiconductor. Now from this figure 1, it is clearly observed that here we draw a graph between momentum versus energy, the momentum of electrons. Now we observe that this is a valency band and this is a conduction band, and this momentum is known as topmost region of the valency band and this is known as the bottom of the conduction band. The electrons will be existed at the topmost valency band and the conduction band. Here the momentum of these two, valency band and the conduction band, will be synchronized, so the electrons will transist directly. So it is known as a direct band gap of semiconductors. Whereas in this figure, we observe that the topmost of valency band are of existence of two momentums, and here the momentum of the valency bands of electrons cannot be synchronized at the same position of the conduction band, and they are at different positions of the conduction band. The momentum is different positions at the conduction band. Now we have to see about the direct band gap of semiconductor. The indirect band gap of semiconductors, the top of the valency band and the bottom of the conduction band occurs at the same value of momentum. Already seen in this figure, both the momentum of topmost of the valency band and bottom of the conduction band having the same value of k, means that is the momentum. It seems that the energy versus the energy versus the momentum diagram, the maximum of the valency band occurs at the same value of k as the minimum of the conduction band. Then the semiconductor is called direct band gap semiconductors. Already we seen from the figure. The minimum in the conduction band is important because the electron existed from the valency band. The transition of the electrons from the valency band falls to this point much more rapidly than fall from conduction band to the valency band. Now we have to go for indirect band. Here, and simply in this type of semiconductors, the maximum of valency band occurs at different values of momentum of the minimum in the conduction band energy. This type of semiconductors are known as indirect band gap of semiconductor. As see here, again in the second figure we see the momentum of the valency band, the topmost bands of the valency band or have the different positions of the momentum. They have the different values of momentum and it is not synchronized with the bottom of the conduction band. So this type of bands are known as indirect bands. Now just we will see about its application. Due to the emission of light photon during the combination of charge carriers, direct band gap semiconductors are used to fabricate optical devices such as LEDs, lasers, and etc. Whereas due to the long lifetime of charge carriers, indirect band gap semiconductors are used to amplify the signals, as in case of diodes and transistors. The direct bandgap semiconductors are mostly from the compounds of semiconductors. It is not a single element, it is a compound semiconductor. For example, indium arsenic, gallium arsenic, and etc. Whereas indirect bandgap semiconductors are mostly from the elements like silicon and germanium. So again, from this figure we see that this synchronizing of momentum indicates direct band gap, and the band gap of will be compared to this indirect band gap is less, because the momentum will be synchronized same for the topmost of the valence band and bottom of the conduction band. Okay, thank you.